I'm Oscar Chomakowski. I'm an Airtanker Base Loader. Being the loader, for the most part, it's putting the fire retardant in the planes, making sure everything is maintained for them. First, we'll check all the pumps, make sure everything's turned on, make sure everything's in the correct setting. There's no valves that were left closed. So we'll have like 3 or 4 air tankers kind of circling our air at any time, working on a fire nearby. And then we'll be waiting here outside in all of our gear, waiting for them to land so that we can put retardant in them as fast as possible so that they can get right back out there. And it's a team effort, and safety is very important. We're always in communication with both the pilots and with the supervisor. We got a lot of protective equipment that we wear. What I like best about this job is the people that I meet. The pilots are all really cool. Everyone I talk to, they love their job. They love telling the story of how they got here. And then being around the planes too. Probably the most fun that I've had at a job, just getting to work around them. It's a lot of fun. It's busy, but it's very rewarding. I look forward to doing this again because it's just a really cool job.